my house, we have to use the Tenneco vacuum and mop almost on a daily because we have 4 dogs, 2 kids, and 2 adults living in this house. And so it can be very expensive to keep having to replace the solution for the Tenneco, but at the same time, it's necessary. So I was sent this product to try out. It's a floor cleaner, cleaning effervescent tablet. There's 36 tablets in here, and it can be used in the robotic vacuum and mop. It says it's robotic vacuum and mop compatible, so that would be like the Tenneco shown here. So if I didn't have Tenneco, it looks like it would be compatible with my mop too. All right, so this is what it looks like, and it says that you only need one of these in the Tenneco water tank. So it's a 27-ounce water is what this would take care of, and it claims that it is strong enough to solve the problem of stinky sewage tank and roller brush. So that's great because I hate the smell of the roller brush. Sometimes if we don't clean it good enough, it stinks. I'm gonna have to go in there and clean it out. So this one is in the scent of lemongrass. This is what it looks like. And it does smell like lemongrass for sure. They got that on point, and it's not a super strong scent. So here's the tank. I'm gonna place this in here. It is big enough to fit in there, and it's in here. So you can see it dissolving in the tank. So it is working well. It's not causing any clogs on my Tenneco. So that means that it's good enough for this. Because if you put something in here that doesn't work, it will stop. All right, so this is absolutely disgusting. When I tell you my floors get really dirty, I mean my floors get really dirty. And that's just like the first round. I'm actually really happy at first pass. It looks a lot cleaner. So I haven't gotten to over here where you can see there's a lot more dirt and things like that that needs to be cleaned up. You can see things that need to be cleaned on that end. So this has got me obsessed with my Tenneco again. The floors does not have any residue. It did clean my floors very well. It picked up a lot of the dirt that it needed to pick up, and my floors just look a lot cleaner. As far as the smell goes, I would say that I don't smell it. When I put the tablet up to my nose, I can smell the lemongrass scent. But what I will say I noticed is my Tenneco tends to have a wet towel smell. It got rid of that smell. So I do like this about that. The fact that this isn't liquid, my kids are able to just drop this in and not cause a mess all over. Whenever we had the solution, they would have to pour it in, and I would say that we were wasting a lot of money because a lot more was going all over the counter instead of in the actual water itself. I definitely am going to stick with this. I'm actually going to look online to see what other scents that they have. This says that it lasts for 3 months. It's 36 effervescent tablets. I would say for me, for deep cleaning, it takes about 3 tablets. For a daily cleaning, this would be 1 tablet. So this is probably going to last me a month. But I'm okay with that because the price point plus not wasting it, and it does the job, it doesn't leave a residue, I'm sold. I can also use this on my mop, which today is deep cleaning day, so I'm definitely going to be using it in there. You saw that it dissolves on its own. So this is going to replace at least 2 of my cleaning products. The solution that goes into the robotic vacuum, and then the solution that goes into my mop bucket. If you're looking to replace your cleaning solution for your floors, you should definitely check this one out.